Hey marketers, creating high converting ads is both an art and a science. But after analyzing countless top Facebook ads performers, I've identified 5 key components that successful ad creatives tend to have in common. In this video, I'll break down these 5 essentials with examples so you can start applying them to your own ads for better results. Let's dive in. Component number 1, text overlay. Using a punchy text overlay directly on your visuals is a great way to hook viewers from the start. It ensures your key messages get seen even if they don't read the full copy. Bonus points if you can craft that text to create sort of a curiosity itch, posing a question or pique an interest, so they feel compelled to click and learn more. Here's an example nailing that curiosity edge within text overlay from AG1. The header reads, "One powerfully simple habit," and ellipses, or the so-called drama dots, to capture attention and pique curiosity. Component number 2, high quality visuals. While a captivating text overlay helps to grab attention, a high-res, on-brand visual is what really stops the scroll. These visuals should be crisp, relevant to your offering, and designed to stand out in the user's busy feeds. Because let's face it, blurry, generic stock photos just don't cut it anymore. Quality visuals also lend instant credibility to your brand. Check out these 2 examples with impressive product shots and lifestyle imagery from Warby Parker. Component number 3, compelling copy. With attention focused by your text and visual, it's time to reel them in with persuasive copy. This accompanying text must be clear, engaging, and actionable. Utilizing proven copywriting frameworks like AIDA, attention, interest, desire, and action, or PASS, problem, agitate, solution, helps to structure your message to guide the viewer through a persuasive journey. By the way, these also work great for structuring video ad scripts. Here's an example of a well-written ad from Hexclad with compelling copy both on creative as well as in the primary and headline copy. The ad starts with a unbeatable hook. Want to make pizza like Gordon Ramsay? To pique attention. It then presents Hexclad as the game changer to get interest, expands on the benefits and features to spark desire, and finishes with a FOMO message. Don't wait, these are selling out fast, to drive action. They even added social proof in the headline. Component number 4, social proof. Adding elements of social proof can be that final nudge getting prospects over the line. Customer reviews, expert endorsements, impressive stats is the outside validation that leverages people's natural tendency to follow popular trends. Essentially, showing that your offer is popular and has delivered for others makes new customers way more likely to convert. Here's an example from Bench Accounting that masters social proof. They pulled all of the stops and listed their customer count and average ratings across 3 platforms. Last but not least, component number 5, clean layout. With all of these components in place, an uncluttered layout is key for allowing each component to shine. This design principle helps to avoid overwhelming the viewer with too much information or too many competing visuals, which can dilute the main message. Avoid multiple product shots and busy backgrounds, overwhelmingly long headlines crammed into tiny text boxes, or a distracting mix of fonts, colors, styles, and icons. A clean layout helps with making the ad more effective by enhancing its readability and the viewer's ability to quickly understand the value being offered. Here's a good example from Aura Ring conveying a lot of information in an optimized layout while giving enough breathing room to each element. So these are the 5 essential components: text overlay with a curiosity itch, high quality visual, compelling copy, social proof, and clean, uncluttered layout. Master these, and you'll be well on your way to crafting scroll stopping ads that truly convert. Let me know if you've seen success with any of these components already. And if you like this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up.